Let's write down the cards first of all, 1 to 9. Now we're told that Alexa, her numbers add to 6. So it's either got to be 1 and 5 or 2 and 4. It can't be 3 and 3 because there's only 1, 3 there. For Bart, they've got the difference being 5. So that could be 1 and 6, or 2 and 7, or 3 and 8, or 4 and 9. So quite a few possibilities there. Clara, the product of my numbers is 18, so can't have 1 and 18 because 18 is too big, but we could have 2 and 9, or 3 and 6. That's it. And then finally, Danger. One of my numbers is twice the other one, so it could be 1 and 2, or 2 and 4, or 3 and 6, or 4 and 8. Let's work through these, but focus on Alexa and Clara because there's less options for them. So if we can rule them out, we can, if we can rule one of them out, then we know what they definitely got. So let's just say that Alexa has 2 and 4. That would mean that Clara has to have 3 and 6 because the two's already taken. Are there then any issues with Bart? Well, Bart can't have 1 and 6 or 2 and 7 or 3 and 8 or 4 and 9. So actually what that means is that Alexa cannot take 2 and 4. We haven't ruled out Clara taking 3 and 6, it's just in combination with 2 and 4. So that was our starting one. Because if we go with Alexa having 1 and 5, then actually Clara can still have 3 and 6 potentially. Now what would that mean? We can't have 1 and 6, but we could have 2 and 7 here or 4 and 9. So both of these would be options. Let's just see if there's any options now for Danger. Can't have 1 and 2. Can't have 2 and 4 because 2 is and 4 are like shared between the two up here that Bart can take. 3 and 6 is out because it's already taken. And 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is an option actually if we go with 2 and 7 here and then 3 and 6 here. So that would be okay. And then which number is missing? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's actually got to be 9 that is missing. Now, have I conclusively shown that that is the only possible outcome? I don't think I have, so I'm just going to take it a little bit further. So we know that Alexa has to be 1 and 5, and then we looked at Clara being 3 and 6 and saw that was an option. Now, let's say instead that Clara was 2 and 9. Does that change anything? Well, we can't have 1 and 6 here, or 2 and 7. Could have 3 and 8 here. But does that leave anything for Danger? Can't have 1 and 2, or 2 and 4, or 3 and 6. Is 4 and no, or 4 and 8 because I've already underlined the 8. So yeah, that wouldn't have been an option. In fact, the green one is the only option, and the number left on the table must necessarily be 9.